Hey guys, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a 2019 Chevy Malibu. So this car have a airbag problem. So let's turn the car on. You will see the airbag light right there. And it will also tell you about the airbag. There you go. So it said service safety restraint system. So we're gonna get the computer and we're gonna go ahead and scan it for a code. So let's see, it's loading up. We're gonna scan it and then we'll see which airbag is giving trouble or which airbag sensor is giving trouble. So we'll go ahead and hit scan. I'm gonna cut throughout this whole process right here, or maybe I just do it. 2019. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and scan the car for codes. Alright, so it said right front impact sensor. So right front, so it's not gonna be the two in the front because there's two in the front, and I think there is two in, so the right front would probably be in the door, in the two front door. So the right front would be in the right front door, or it could be right here. So because this is more easier to take off than the door, I'm going to start from right here and see if right here is the problem. So let's get started on that one. So I moved this front seat forward because I need to get in here. So I'm just going to try to get my finger in here, pull back on this and see if we can see the sensor down here. So I'm gonna try to take up this right here. So guys, I just look here and I don't see the sensor, so the sensor is not here. It's gonna be in the right front door, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the door panel. You're gonna need a little pick, and the link will be in the description for the tools I use. So you're gonna need a little pick to get in here to get this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. So right here gonna be 7mm. Take that out. We're gonna need to get down right here. We need to remove this rubber right here, and that's gonna show us another 7mm. Remove that, and we can just hold the door like this and pull on it. So you want to pull on it around, right around. My fingers are numb because down here is cold in Florida. But that's how you're gonna do it. I think something else is holding it. So let me go ahead and remove the switch. So I get a flathead screwdriver, pry it down in here, pry it around, and there's a clip right here at the front you gotta take out also. Once that out, and you get to see you have two more 7mm. You have one right here, another one right there. that. And remove that one also. And then you want to continue pulling on the door panel. Also, you can unplug the switch, bring this white clip back first. So you want to bring it back first. Once that's back, you want to squeeze this in. Then you can unplug this. It is so cold, my finger is numbing, so there like no strengths are in my finger this morning, but let's do this. So as you can see, I pull it all the way back and then I squeeze this right here, and that will release the switch from the clip. I'm just gonna continue pull on these right around and it should come off. So guys, as you can see, I have it off like this, so I can just start lifting it over. So I lift it over here, because as you look right here, you have a little lip and it hooked into it, so I just lift it over here. Alright guys, so this is the switch. You'll need to bring back this red piece right here. It's a lock for the switch. If your fingers can't do it, just use a flathead screwdriver, bring this back and squeeze this and unpull it, and it goes right here for your power door lock switch. And also this is for your door handle right here. So you want to squeeze this and then twist it around through here, and that's how you remove that. So let's search the door now and see if we find that airbag impact sensor. So guys, once we peel this black piece back, this is the sensor right here. I'm gonna remove it, but before I remove it, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery. I'm gonna remove it and check the wiring and all that, and then disconnect. I'm gonna disconnect the battery and then remove it. Alright guys, so the battery disconnected. Go ahead and remove this. So I'm just checking the wiring, make sure that is good. Check there, check here. So since I disconnect the wiring and all that, everything looked good so far. Maybe it's a bad sensor, I don't know. I'm gonna reconnect it and see if it's a bad sensor. I'm gonna go ahead and connect the battery and turn it on and see if the light go off. Alright, so battery is on. Let's crank the car. Airbag light go off and come back on. And let's rescan the system and see what it say. And clear the system. Alright, the code is still there. And it's giving the same code for the right front side impact, so it's the one over there in that door. I'm gonna go ahead and change the sensor. So guys, I got the new sensor, and there's one way to check if your sensor is good. you want to get your voltmeter, as you can see there, and put it on ohms. And most airbag system have like 3 ohms, so let's check to see what this have. I'm trying to get the alright, so you can see it's coming up here. And the other one, when I check it, nothing come up on it, so that's a good sign right there to show you that this sensor is good. The battery is disconnected, so I'm gonna go ahead and reconnect this right here, connect the sensor, because the battery already connected, guys. So once that in, I'm gonna push this red thing all the way down, and then go ahead and put this in, and then you want to tighten it up. It's gonna be 10 millimeter. And oh, you find it, Flacco?
Yeah.
Oh,
You did it for what?
yeah. Let's see. All right, so we found the other one. Well, Flacco find it. But subscribe to Flacco channel.
Let's check it out.
So Flacco got to check it out. As you can see, we have reading come up on the one I just put in the door. Flacco here checking this one, and nothing come up on this one, as you can see.
Swap it.
I'm gonna
So you
swap
wanna
it
check
to
it
the
out,
other side. Don't make they touch, Flacco. Okay.
Okay.
It's touching?
No. Hold on. Let me see.
So it's working on and off, because the first time when I was doing it, nothing was coming up. So now it seems like it's working now, but the sensor work on and off. Alright, so let's go ahead and tighten up this one and reconnect the battery and try crank it up. So guys, the battery is on. Crank the car up and check the airbag. Oh, so it turns out I don't even need to clear the code, because as you see right there, the code cleared itself once the sensor is working good. So this sensor, it started to work, but maybe because it dropped. So I guess it have some contact problem, because when I was taking the new one, this one fell from me, and now it start working. So I guess something inside probably broke, some contact inside probably broke. I didn't take it apart, and I'm still not planning on taking it apart. The problem is fixed, as you can see. No airbag light. I'm gonna go ahead and put the door back together, and this code they gave is 80086. No, it was B. I'm sorry, the code is B00886. all right, so let's put it back together. So guys, you want to make sure you connect back this. Make sure you push back your switch wire through here, and this is what I was telling you about with the handle. So you want to squeeze this back like this. So unsqueeze this. That's how you would take it out, and that's how you would put it back in. And then you can go ahead and put on your door facing. And for those who always ask for the part number, so I can get it to focus. okay, so it is. I will take a picture of it and put it up if I remember, because it's not focusing. But the part number should be 13583355, and that should be it. Or if that's not it, you have 01230055 11 0239. So that's all the numbers that are there. And guys, let's finish it back up. Once everything line up, you want to push it on, let it clip in. Once it clipped in, you have your screws. I have 4 screws, 1 for here, 2 for here, and 1 go down here. So let's go ahead and put those back in. You can also connect your window switch, but before you do that, you want to catch these 2 screws right here. So that's it, guys. I finished, put everything back together. Make sure your window work. As you can see, my window work. Make sure your power door lock work. Make sure this work also. So everything seems to work for me, so that's good. There's no airbag light on. The reason why my airbag light was on, it was a faulty sensor based on what the computer say. And then I come over here and check this computer and check this sensor right here. It wasn't working. And basically most GM cars are like this: the Impala, the Struze, the Malibu, which I'm currently in the Malibu. So your sensor might not be in their door, it might be right here between the door, but this one have it in the door. So as you see earlier in the video where I checked right here. But that's it, guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.